6x6, man, 150cc. It's pretty impressive, man. I'm pretty surprised. You know, it's been doing good. It's got plenty of power, so let me let y'all check it out real quick.
Yeah, a lot better.
Yeah.
Must have been the gas.
Yeah. Check it out, guys. That's what we got. Got that new exhaust on there, and man, it went on pretty nice. Didn't have to do too many adjustments, and definitely sounds better. I can hear it when I'm riding for sure. But yeah, I know it's gonna be a little bit louder, so cars can hear me and stuff like that. Be noticed on the road. Here with my buddy today, man. Yeah, we came to cruise out here and check out the Mission San Juan. And
San Juan.
yes, sir. So yeah, the weather was nice. It was pretty hot today, so I'm glad we got this ride out, at least with the temperatures a little more reasonable.
That's good.
So well, y'all have a good one. Y'all tell me what you think, man. What do y'all think about this new exhaust on this scooter? And I got the Hawk fixed up real nice too. I got the new exhaust and I got a new back tire. Been keeping up with a lot of things. I got some new fog lights on the Hawk too, so I can see a little bit better at nighttime, night rides. So but y'all hang in there, y'all let me know what's up, and y'all just stay motivated.